Oh my goodness! You see that? Look at that pretty sunset. Holy cowabunga! Can you see that? Wah, wah, wah. Not the best. Where is it? So peaceful. Yep, just keep looking. Oh, there's rocks. Yep. And a boat. And more people. More people. People love the sunset. That's for sure. It's kind of a pretty thing about life. Hi, guys. So, this is where I live again. Look at that. Do you see it? Do you see it? Yeah, oh my gosh, there's a meeting, a seagull meeting, 7 o'clock, Sunday. Be there. We missed the meeting, guys. They already started. They already called the meeting to order. Do you see them? Can you see those people? They called the meeting to order, guys. We missed it. They're going to vote us off the island. Yeah. Anyway, it's a happy day. Happy day, a good day for a walkie poo. Crumbs. So this place is hopping with people because it's like the first day in a long time of really nice weather. So that's cool. What else? I'm wearing my 7th grade rain jacket. Yep, had this since 7th grade. I'm cool. I know that laugh. Okay, no I don't. So do you guys still have clothes from 7th grade? If you do, you're really cool. You're really cool. Oh, okay, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't make it. They're back-talking me, those seagulls. So cute. So cute. What are they doing? They're literally just sitting there, and there's one guy, like, that's cacawing. I had dinner with my dad. He's so sweet. He always calls me to have dinner or hang out. It's so sweet. Oh, it's peaceful. Alright, I'm gonna go walk. You guys have a great day. Okay? You do that. I'm gonna go talk to the seagulls.